You've probably heard the AI bubble is popping, that it's all hype, a gimmick, and the money is drying up. That's not what's happening. What's actually going on is a lot more serious, and almost nobody is talking about it. The AI revolution didn't hit a financial wall, it hit a physical one. Right now, roughly 50% of American data center projects in major hubs are delayed or quietly canceled, not because companies ran out of cash, because they ran out of power. Now, big tech isn't just making software anymore, they've become some of the most aggressive investors in one industry you wouldn't expect: nuclear power. We're currently in the midst of a global artificial intelligence arms race, and it is getting very expensive. In 2025, the Wall Street Journal reported that just in the US, the Big Four, Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft, were collectively spending close to $400 billion annually, with most of that money going to infrastructure to run giant AI data centers. Big tech and every other global enterprise with a focus on AI are expected to spend $7 trillion on building or updating data centers in the next 5 years. That's the plan, but reality shows a very different picture. Data centers aren't easy to run, but just to run the ones that we already have is extraordinarily energy intensive. Still, heat has to be managed, and the problem is powering them are either currently being canceled or delayed, with experts saying that number is going to rise. In major hubs like Northern Virginia, the region known as Data Center Alley, projects are already slowing as the grid starts to buckle under demand. The delays aren't just about a lack of money or ambition. Silicon Valley has plenty of both. They're all about supply chains, engineering limits, and public political resistance, but most of all, power. The future Sam Altman talks about, it is currently sitting in a queue waiting for electricity. Right now, America's facing a bottleneck caused by unprecedented demand. Before anything can plug in, utilities and grid operators must run studies to see whether the lines, substations, and transformers can cope with the extra load. These massive data centers burn through enormous amounts of electricity. The amount of power these new data centers will require to keep running is astronomical. Reports say the biggest ones currently under construction will collectively demand as much electricity as an entire country like Italy. Big tech wants to spend trillions, but the power crunch is getting in the way. It's a problem they can't code around.